Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use WebKit view in our iOS application. So firstly I'm going to create a new project. We'll say like WebView as the application name and make sure interface is storyboard and the language is Swift. Okay, I created my project. Now in my main storyboard I'm going to add a new layout component. Let's go ahead and add that. Select main. In this view controller, I'm going to drag the WebKit view. This one. Click this button to add new constraints. 0 top, 0 left, 0 right and bottom 0. Okay. Now I'm going to press this button and click assistant. Then it will open our view controller .swift file in the right side. I'm going to press Ctrl in the keyboard and drag it to here. Again, I'm going to show you. Press Ctrl in the keyboard and click this WebKit view and drag it to here. Make sure connection is outlet and provide a name for that like WebView. Click connect. Alright, now we can close our main.storyboard and open the view controller. Now you will see there are some issues showing us to solve. For that you can type import WebKit. And the next step is I'm going to create a constant for storing our website URL. Let's say private let URL and the type of that as URL. Now I'm going to set that equals to URL. In the parentheses we can provide the string colon. Now the URL like https and www.google.com. Okay, now if you are seeing some error, you have to add the exclamation symbol after parentheses. Now in this viewDid dot, I'm going to create a new constant called preference. Set that equals to WK web page preferences and parentheses. Guys, I will include this code in the video description so you can go ahead and download complete file. You don't have to code everything. And I'm going to say preference dot preferred content mode. Set that equals to dot mobile. If you want desktop mode, you can say dot desktop. If we need mobile, we can set that to dot mobile. Now I'm going to allow JavaScript. Preference dot allows content JavaScript. Set that equals to true. Now I'm going to create a new constant called configuration. Set that equals to WK web view configuration parentheses. After that I can say configuration dot default web page preferences. Set that equals to our preference. Here we created it. Alright guys, finally we can go ahead and load the web page in WebView this outlet dot load. Now in the parentheses, we are going to create a URL request, add another parenthesis. In the parentheses of URL request, I can provide the URL as this URL. Alright guys, now we can go ahead and run our application. Alright guys, now you can see our web view is loading. Here we have some additional functionalities to go back, go forward, and you can leverage those to future changes. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.